Scientists found in cave under lake something that terrified the world. Top 15. In a recent discovery that has captured the world's attention, experts found a series of amazing finds lying beneath the depths of the lake. These remarkable findings, detailed in our video, have left experts in the world baffled by their significance. Join us as we delve into this incredible collection and explore the top 15 baffling discoveries made throughout history, exposing secrets that have both intrigued and puzzled experts for years. Number 1. The second deepest hole. A new discovery unveils Mexico's second deepest blue hole, located off the Yucatan Peninsula coast. Measuring around 900 feet in depth, this underwater sinkhole, named Taamya in Mayan, spans 147,000 square feet in Chetumal Bay. These massive holes, formed during the Ice Age, are distinguished by their indigo centers and steep 80-degree slopes. The Mexico Blue Hole's mouth sits 15 feet below sea level, and it follows the ocean's tides. The world's deepest, the Dragon Hole, was found in the South China Sea in 2016, surpassing 980 feet in depth. Number 2. 7,000-year-old road. Scientists from the University of Zadar have unearthed a 7,000-year-old stone road submerged under sea mud near Croatia's coast. This 13-foot wide road, constructed with carefully stacked stone plates, once connected Ursula Island to the Solin settlement. Radiocarbon dating places its origin around 4,900 BC, shedding light on an active site from millennia ago. Number 3. The 2,000-year-old intact Roman medicinal pill. In June 2013, Italian scientists examined ancient Roman medicinal pills from a 2,000-year-old sunken shipping vessel, the Relitto del Pozzino, submerged off Tuscany's coast. Excavated during the 1980s and 90s, the site yielded intriguing cargo including Asian lamps, Syrian Palestinian glass bowls, bronze jugs, and ceramic wine vessels. Notably, a sealed medicine chest held a surgery hook, mortar, 136 wooden drug vials, and 10 vessels with intact pills. Analysis unveiled zinc compounds, iron oxide starch, beeswax, pine resin, and botanical substances. Number 4. 10,000-year-old ruins in Japan. Along Yonaguni, southern coast in Japan, submerged ruins that could be 10,000 years old provide ongoing mystery. This site's origin sparks debate, with experts divided between man-made and naturally formed origins. Discovered in 1995 by a diver straying from Okinawa shore, the sunken arrangement of monolithic blocks astounded observers. These enormous stone pieces intricately interlock, featuring right-angled joints, carvings, and formations resembling staircases, paved streets, crossroads, and plazas. Number 5. Artifacts of the ancient naval battle. In 2013, archaeologists revealed a trove of relics found off Sicily's coast originating from history's earliest naval clash. These artifacts, like rams, helmets, armor, and weapons dating back 2,000 years, were retrieved from the site of the inaugural ancient naval battle. These items trace to the Battle of Egadi Islands in 241 BC, the ultimate engagement of Rome's first Punic War against Carthage. Despite Carthaginian sea superiority, Romans staged a surprise assault, sinking up to 50 Carthaginian vessels and ending around 10,000 lives. This triumph paved Rome's path to supremacy around Europe, and the treasures lay untouched on the seabed 100 meters deep for over 2 millennia. Number 6. Structures of Zakynthos. In June 2013, a startling revelation emerged from Zakynthos, Greece, as archaeologists unveiled an enigmatic underwater city within the Alikanas Gulf. This discovery, reported by the Underwater Antiquities Department, encompassed expansive public edifices, cobbled pathways, column bases, and various antiquities. Of exceptional note were 20 stone pillar bases, each with 34-centimeter diameter incision, suggesting accommodation for wooden columns. Initial assessments proposed ties to a grand ancient public building, likely linked to a significant settlement in the city's port during antiquity. Number 7. Chinese underwater city. Sunken beneath China's Qiandao Lake, an ancient lion city resides beneath the majestic Wuxi Mountain. Recent revelations have reignited curiosity in this submerged marvel. Remarkably, despite over half a century underwater, the city remains astoundingly preserved, akin to a time capsule. Constructed during the Eastern Han Dynasty, it once thrived as a political and economic hub in Zhejiang's eastern province. In 1959, a hydroelectric power station initiative led to its submersion under 40 meters of water in the wake of a man-made lake. Number 8, 5,000-year-old sunken city. In Greece's Peloponnesus region rests Pavlopetri, a village near a 5,000-year-old sunken city, marking an extraordinary archaeological site. Uniquely submerged about 4 meters underwater, it stands as possibly the world's oldest submerged city. And this city boasts an impressive layout featuring roads, 2-story homes with gardens, temples, a cemetery, and an intricate water management system with channels and pipes. Around 1000 BC, earthquakes plunged the city beneath the waves, preserving its structure. Number 9, 3,200-year-old boat wreck. Marine archaeologist Julia Boeto from France's CNRS revealed a remarkable discovery in March of this year, a 3,200-year-old boat wreck in Zambracia Cove, Croatia. Dating back to 1200 BC, this find stands as a rare specimen of a Bronze Age sewn boat constructed by interlacing ropes, roots, or willow branches. Measuring 7 meters in length and 2.5 meters in width, the sewn boat exemplifies an Adriatic shipbuilding technique practiced until Roman times. Impressively preserved, the vessel displays visible stitching and minimal frame damage. Number 10, elongated skulls. In January 2014, underwater archaeologists ventured into a submerged cenote named Sac Uyam, a feared flooded sinkhole in southern Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The cenote, formed from limestone bedrock collapse, contained elongated skulls and human bones, shrouding the cavern in mystery. Revered by the ancient Maya and guarded by a mythical horse-headed serpent, the site is surrounded by local legends. The older residents recount stories of this serpent leaping from a tree into the waters. Number 11, 11,000-year-old underwater relics. Earlier this year, Swedish divers achieved a remarkable feat unearthing relics from 11,000 years ago in the Baltic Sea. These Stone Age artifacts left behind by Swedish nomads have been remarkably preserved due to the oxygen scarcity and ample Gytia sediment, organic rich sediment found in eutrophic lakes. The rarity of such well-preserved Stone Age remnants adds to the significance of the discovery. Delving 16 meters beneath the water's surface, the team unveiled wood, flint tools, animal horns, and ropes. Number 12, the Egyptian city of Heracleion. Heracleion, the fabled Egyptian city in waves off Egypt's coast nearly 1,200 years ago. Once a pivotal trade nexus, it veiled in mystique akin to Atlantis. Nonetheless, in 2001, an underwater explorer hunting French warships chanced upon the submerged metropolis. Gently unveiling layers of sediment, divers unveiled an astonishingly well-preserved city bedecked with its troves: Amun-Gerb's main temple, pharaonic statues, divine figurines, a sphinx, 64 antique ships, 700 anchors, Greek-Egyptian inscribed stones, countless sarcophagi, bronze gold coins, and stone weights. Number 13, 1,800-year-old shipwreck. A diver's discovery off Israel's coast reveals an ancient shipwreck laden with 1,800-year-old marble artifacts. This find, believed to be the oldest of its kind in the eastern Mediterranean, includes intricately adorned Corinthian column heads. The artifacts were likely en route to embellish a significant public structure like a temple or theater carried by a merchant ship that met its demise in a storm. Number 14, 19,000-year-old undersea volcanoes. Using satellite altimetry, scientists led by Julie Gevorgian from Scripps Institution of Oceanography discovered 19,000 previously unknown undersea volcanoes or seamounts. By measuring changes in sea surface height caused by the gravitational pull of these formations, the team expanded our knowledge of ocean features. This method complements ship-based sonar mapping, revealing the hidden landscape of the ocean floor. These seamounts not only aid in understanding the Earth's tectonic dynamics, mantle composition, and ocean currents, but also serve as rich habitats for marine life, driving the quest to explore and map them extensively. And number 15, 2,300-year-old shipwreck. This 2,300-year-old shipwreck has been uncovered off Egypt's coast near Al Alamein during a routine Mediterranean Sea survey. The discovery sheds light on Egypt's historical significance in trade and tourism. Among the artifacts found by archaeologists were wooden remains of the ship, pottery fragments, and Greek amphoras used for wine storage. The presence of these items suggests the ship was a merchant vessel. The wreck's location near a sunken island indicates a collision with the underwater landmass. Excavations are ongoing at the site, enhancing our understanding of ancient maritime history. So these were the 15 discoveries made underwater. Thanks for watching. If you found today's video interesting, then please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and press the bell icon for more updates.